गॉड इज ए सर्कल विद सेंटर एवरीवेयर बट इट्स सर्कमफ्रेंस नोवेयर। अर्थात ईश्वर एक ऐसा वृत्त है जिसका केंद्र तो सर्वत्र है परंतु उसकी परिधि कहीं नहीं है। सब्सक्राइब करिए रतनजीत टेक्निकल चैनल को एंड प्रेस करिए बेल आइकन को लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hello dear friends, welcome to all of you. In this new lecture, we are going to solve some very important numericals based on the previous topic potential gradient. Yesterday we have discussed about the potential gradient and the relationship of potential gradient to intensity of electric field. Okay, dear friends, what was the definition of the potential gradient? Potential gradient is written as the ddx of v and it is defined as the limit delta x tends to 0 delta v over delta x, right? What is the meaning? The change of the electric potential in the electric field with respect of the perpendicular distance is given as the potential gradient. Okay, and the relationship between the field intensity and potential gradient was that intensity of electric field is defined as the negative of the potential gradient, that is E equals minus dV over dx. Okay, the unit of potential gradient is volt per meter and its dimensional formula is mLt minus 3a minus 1. Dear friends, right now we are going to solve some very important numerical from this one topic. Note down the numerical. Numerical is electric potential in space is expressed as V x comma y comma z equal to 10 volt per meter xy plus yz plus zx. Dear friends, here electric potential is the point function of x, y, z. Okay, find the magnitude of the electric field at the point p 1 comma 1 comma 1 meter in space. So we have to find out electric field intensity. Electric potential is given. So how can we find out? Dear friends, just see there, electric field is the differentiation of the potential with respect of the perpendicular distance. Electric field in its component form can be written as E equals Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap, where Ex, Ey and Ez are the components of field along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. I cap, j cap, k cap are the orthogonal unit roid along the x, y and z axes. Dear friends, in the form of potential gradient, we can also write down electric potential E equals negative of the partial differentiation of the potential with respect of the del x I cap plus similarly negative of the potential gradient, okay, with respect of the y j cap plus minus del v over del z k cap. Here del v upon del x is the partial differentiation of potential with respect of x. Del v upon del y is the partial differentiation of potential with respect of y. Del v upon del z is the partial differentiation of voltage with respect of the z. Okay, now value of the electric potential is given. How much? V equals this much, 10 volt per meter. Okay, how much? 10 volt per meter xy plus yz plus zx. So just you find out the value of the partial differentiation. Partial differentiation del v over del x, that is, now just differentiate this one keeping in mind that y and z are constant, only x is variable. So if you differentiate you will get 10 volt per meter, same 10 volt per meter into within bracket this one xy, that is y, yz that is 0, zx that is z, so y plus z. And similarly partial differentiation of voltage with respect of the y, that is 10 volt per meter within bracket. Now differentiate keeping in mind that x and z are the constant. So xy, that is x, yz, that is z, zx, that is 0. So our answer would be in bracket 10 volt per meter x plus z. Del v over del z equals 10 volt per meter within bracket yz xz. Now x plus y. So this one is the value of the partial differentiation of the voltage with respect of the x, y and z respectively. Now replace these one values in the first one and you will get the value of the electric field. Okay. Intensity of electric field equals Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. Put the value of Ex. Ex equals minus del V upon del X. So minus del V upon del X I cap plus minus del V upon del Y j cap plus minus del V upon del Z k cap. Now just replace the value of the del V upon del X, del V upon del Y and del V upon del Z. Okay, from here it is obvious, minus 10 volt per meter within bracket Y plus Z minus 10 volt per meter within bracket X plus Z minus 10 volt per meter within bracket X plus Y, and also place the I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, now x equal to y equal to z is given how much? 1. So the value of the electric field at the point x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 meter. Okay, value of the electric field at the 1 comma 1 comma 1 equal to minus 10 volt per meter within bracket 1 plus 1, that is 2 I cap minus 10 volt per meter into 2 j cap minus 10 volt per meter into k cap. Okay, or you will get how much? 10 to the 20. So minus 20 volt per meter I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This one is the value of the electric field. Note down. In this way you can find out the value of the electric field. This one was very important question, so please copy down, and in this way we can find out the value of the field intensity if we know the value of potential difference. The distance between the two plates of cathode ray oscillograph is 1 centimeter. If the potential difference between the plates is 1200 volt, then find the electric field between the plates. Dear friends, देखिए एक कैथोड रे ऑसिलोग्राफ है कुछ इस तरीके से, ठीक है, इस पर चार्जेस हैं कुछ इस तरीके से प्लस एंड माइनस, ठीक है, इसके बीच में एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है. डियर फ्रेंड्स, हमें इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में अगर बात करें, राइट, ये हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रहा, ठीक है, इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को हमें पता लगाना है ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है. हमें दिया गया है प्लेट्स की जो बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है, प्लेट्स के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज सपोज डी, ये हाउ मच 1 सेंटीमीटर, एंड प्लेट्स के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल का डिफरेंस है, ठीक है, वो कितना है, दैट इज 1200 वोल्ट. ये आपको दिया गया है, ठीक है, डेल्टा भी आपको दिया गया है. आइए ज़रा देखते हैं, नोट करेंगे. फर्स्ट गिवन दैट नोट करेंगे, गिवन दैट potential difference delta V equals 1200 volt and the distance of separation between the plates is 1 centimeter, that is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. We have to find out the value of the electric field. Okay, electric field, you know very well, electric field is equal to the negative of the potential gradient or differentiation of the potential with respect of the distance delta V upon D. Now just apply delta V upon D, that is minus 1200 over distance is how much? 1 centimeter, that is 10 to the power minus 2. Our answer is 1200 into 10 to the power 2, that is intensity of electric field equals 120000 volt per meter. Note down.